Hey friends, today I'm sharing this delicious and easy to make comforting butternut squash with quinoa, carrots and Granny Smith apples, a delicious dish that you can do on any day of the week. First things first, for this recipe, I'll do the knife work. All the ingredients used will be in the description box. Start with the butternut squash. Dice this into some bite-sized pieces. I've already started my oven at 425. Now some salt, some black pepper. This is chai masala spice that I make in-house for my chai. You can use pumpkin spice, a little bit of that. Some avocado oil, some thyme, rosemary, this goes on a sheet pan. Roast in the oven until they are soft, cooked through, and caramelizes. Next, I have some carrots. You can dice or just roll cut this. Into the same bowl that had the pumpkin or the butternut squash. Salt, some black pepper, and some of the spice. A touch oil. And now this goes onto a separate sheet pan in one corner. I'll use 2 of the Granny Smiths here. Always make sure that you wash, especially apples, because they come waxed. Our oven has come to temp. Now cut this into some bite size. Same bowl. Touch of the spice here. Some black pepper. Some salt. For the apple, we are going to do just maybe a half a teaspoon of honey. So bring the carrots and just lay them in the middle. Last but not the least, for the roasted vegetables, 1 red onion. Cut this in half. Make sure the onions are all separated here. Onions go on the other side. And now bring the whole thing into the oven and let roast until everything is cooked through and slightly caramelized. Now, as the vegetables start roasting, we'll start with the quinoa, about 2 cups. For the quinoa, garlic, shallot, ginger. Garlic frying all over the place. We need about a tablespoon. I love garlic. Give this garlic a rough chop. Get some ginger here. Ginger all done. Shallot. You can use a red onion here or regular onion. They complement the dish very well. Now we'll head the stove and start the quinoa. Now into the pan add avocado oil. Shallot goes in. Garlic. Some ginger. Some sprigs of thyme. Rosemary. Now in goes our soaked quinoa. So the idea here is just to slightly toast this, bring up the flavors of the quinoa just for a couple minutes. Remember, when you're cooking, it's all about building flavors. Add about 3 1/4 cups water. This is a good stage that you can use chicken broth or you can use vegetable stock. From here, we'll proceed just the same way we'll do rice. Some salt, black pepper, and a touch of our spices here. Cover, bring to a boil, lower the heat, and cook for about 20 minutes. Time to bring the whole dish together. Oh, look at that quinoa. So first pull out all these sprigs here. Thyme, rosemary, and the bay leaves. Definitely done their job. Now bring the roasted vegetables, the carrots, the apples. See the carrots, they have caramelized. The apples and the red onion. Everything goes in. The butternut squash. Take out the thyme, the rosemary too. And then all this goes into the pot. That's the reason why I use a slightly bigger pot than the quinoa that I had, because I knew I'm gonna bring this like so. Dish all together. Some green onions or the scallions. Good amount of olive oil, extra virgin, lemon juice. Maybe just finish with a touch of our spice here just to highlight it. I'll add some black pepper. All I need to do is just fold this. This is a stage that you can also use kales here, any kind of greens that are not delicate as the arugula. Spinach is perfect though for this. And how about a touch of this zest? Very colorful, very fallish. Just briefly set this aside. Bring the small bowl with some arugula, some green onions, the apples, some salt, pepper, get some olive oil, lemon juice, some of the pine nuts, rest of the zest goes in. Serve this on a platter. Some greens, some apple here, some arugula. Love to enjoy this dish topped with a salad, just like so. And lots of pine nuts here for crunch, texture. This is so good. The butternut squash, the carrots, the crunchy raw apples. Oh my. It might seem like it's a lot of work to do this dish, you know, roasting, cooking the quinoa separately and all the prep work, but I'm telling you, it's all worth it at the end. It's such a nice dish that you can do on any day of the week. You can roast the vegetables actually ahead of time, just reheat them, make the quinoa and just toast it all together. This is a dish that is very good the following day as a salad with any kind of greens. It's going to work on those cold nights in fall. You got yourself this delicious and easy to make dish that you and your family or your friends will definitely enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope this is a recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so. It's a way of supporting this channel. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.